Have you ever wondered how a simple sound can save lives? In the early 1900s, Michael Brinkmann introduced a groundbreaking concept, the ambulance siren. Initially, ambulances relied on bells and gongs, often drowned out in urban noise, delaying vital medical assistance. Brinkmann's electric siren revolutionized emergency response, cutting through chaos with its piercing sound. Over the decades, this invention evolved, becoming an essential feature in life-saving missions worldwide. The story of the ambulance siren is a testament to how critical thinking and innovation can transform healthcare and ensure rapid medical attention when seconds matter most.